Bonjour, Oksana is with you, and today we will talk about mistakes. 2 mistakes that you can make training for the challenge candle 90 degrees angle. Okay, so let's start from the very beginning. When you are doing the lock for your head that is keeping you from falling down, be sure that it's really tight. It's a lock. It's not something like that unstable. No, it's a lock. And it's tightly pushed to your head like that. Okay? Because it's it's something that is keeping your head. Okay? Like that. Okay. Then you just stand up. The second mistake, when you go down from the candle, you immediately raise your head. No, it's a mistake. Stand with your head down at least 30 seconds. Why? It's because of the blood. Because all blood goes to your head. And then don't make it quickly go down. It should be a slow process. It should be like that. You stand like this, exactly in this position for 30 seconds. Just after that, you can go up. Don't rush. It's your health. If you already do handstand, care about your health, because we are training with mind. We're training for our beauty and health.